Roads are still a bit salty and manky and nasty, and there's a fair bit of traffic about. Come on. So yeah, they were supposed to have relaid this piece of road. That was going to happen over Sunday when the mini beast from the east came in. So obviously they decided that that was not a good thing to do. So they didn't relay the road when the mini beast from the east came in, which is a bit of a shame in many ways, because as bits of road go, that one is horrible. Awkward as, bumpy, slippy, horrible, utterly not good. This piece isn't that much better. We do appear to have shed loads of potholes. What the hell are you waiting for? Stopping traffic. So finding a good road position, the kind of the command position that you want, that you are examined on, as it were, when you do your mod 2, as in right in the centre of the carriageway, is horrible on these bits of road. That's exactly where they decide that they're going to put their gas works and electric works and everything else. We do suffer badly from it all. But it is what it is. You get used to it after a bit. So yes, out on the GS tonight. I just really didn't see the point in exposing the GTLE to all this salt when the GS has been out in it all winter anyway. That really does need a clean, mind. And then some. Come on, Mr. Citroen. That's it. Off you go. Good lad. Yeah, I'm kind of... It's an interesting thing. I'm trying, as far as possible, not to stop if I don't absolutely have to. It's a case of judging your approach to a roundabout based on what you can see coming into it, same in junctions and stuff like that. I'm kind of pleased with the way that's going. It's comfortable to do. And this is why I've got a peak on the helmet, so I can stop the sun shining in my eyes, and it appears to be doing that quite nicely, which is good. And just looking at the windscreen, it's splattered. It was clean when I came out the garage. It was absolutely splattered with bits of salt dust. It's awful, but you know, you have to put up with these things, I suppose. Oh, we're going. There's a way. Lovely. And yet again, I'm pleased with that. I've got my eyes on you, pet. You hadn't seen me. And we're clear. Get in. I'm loving this. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. So yes, as you can see by the road here, the centre line command position, as IAM would have it, is manky. It's horrible. But the tyre tracks, offside tyre tracks that a car would have, white, so probably powdery, but as positions go, it's not a bad one, because you're kind of straight in front of where a car driver sits, which is pretty damn good. And round we go. Thank you very much. On all of these things, I try to get eye contact with drivers as far as possible, just to make it easier to be seen. if I kind of look at them and they look at me and they acknowledge the fact that I'm there, I don't care if they stick 2 fingers up, 1 finger up, wave, fart, pick their noses, I don't give them monkeys as long as they've seen me. I'm pleased to relate, I've got some auxiliary lights. They're not fog lights, they're auxiliary lights. And I'm pleased to relate that I got flashed at by a driver the other night because he thought they were too bright. Good. That means he saw me. As long as he doesn't get target fixated on them, I don't give a monkeys. If he saw me, there's less chance of him hitting me. Which is the way it should be. Now, I want to give a shout out to Back to Biking, or Back to Biker. An old lad. I say old lad because he's about the same age as me and he's been off bikes for 37 years. Well, I was off them for 38. He's tried a GS and bought an RT. You know, I tried 1 or 2 more and bought a GS and now the GTLE, which is it's an RT with steroids. On steroids, not with steroids. Search him out. If I remember, I'll put a link to his channel in the description. And go and have a look at him. He's interesting. Interesting. I kind of know where he's at on a lot of this because it's, yeah, coming back to it after all those years, it's daunting because things are not what they used to be. Far from it. Very, very far from it. Now then, no idea what the time is. Sharp find out. If it's 6 o'clock, they'll let us in. If it's not yet 6 o'clock, they won't. I'm going. Oh, I think we're getting in. Get in. So yes. Visor up, so there'll be a bit more top end on my voice. You might even get a little bit of wind noise, I hope not. So there is a bit of a breeze. It's about 10-12 mile an hour, something like that. It's nothing drastic. Well, 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 there's not many folks here. Not many folks here at all. I might even be first. In fact, I think I am. That's never happened before. Oh well. I am indeed the first one here, and I've no idea what the time is, and I don't actually care. Shall we? Okay. Bit of whiskey throttle there, and off we go into the wild blue yonder. Bah, that wind's getting up and all. I love riding at night, I really do, but not when it's cold and we've got fresh salt. It's horrible. Still, never mind. Yes, just enough rain coming down to make it interesting. But it's not cold. We're at 8.5 degrees, as you might be able to see, and the roads are a little bit greasy. That's a first. Taxi sitting at 40. Yeah. This ends up being a one-way road, really, at one way at a time. Well, thank you very much for watching. It's lovely to have you along with us. Do please feel free to subscribe, drop a comment in the comments section down below, and please share it with your friends. I'm just a fat lad on a bike Thanks for watching. See you next time.